So today out here at ITA Truck Sales, I'm gonna be doing paint correction because you can see behind me here, it's the original paint. See how glossy it is? It's pretty. But this stuff looks like crap. So, I'm gonna make it look good. There we go. Slow and steady. Grease, squeaky wheel. It's the grease. A little bit different shape here. So it's taking a little bit more patience and a little bit more finesse. But as you can see, it's paying off pretty quick here. Now I'm laying it flat because the cutting is done. Now, going to finish it off. Make sure there's no holograms. The best way to make sure that there's no holograms is using the rotary by keeping it flat and running it slow. That's it. That's the secret. So now I'm going to be moving on to this one here. Going to make sure that we spread it slow and steady and speed it up. Way too fast. Slowing it back down. Let's work it in. Working it in, working it in, working it in. Same thing with the other side. Working it in. Let the product do the work, let the machine do the work. When you move around sporadically, all that you're going to do is either mess your body up by pulling a muscle, or you're going to mess the surface up that you're working on. It may not damage it like peeling paint off, but you'll leave a splotchy finish that you'll just have to keep going over and over and over again on. You don't want to have to do that. So take your time, let the machine do the work. There you go. Look at that. feeling any pressure. You feel the need to use a lot of pressure when working a product, you need to stop and apply more product. Because if you think that you're going to take a dry wool pad over a surface and think that you're going to create a pretty finish, you're sadly mistaken. All that you're going to do is just burn the finish. Slow and steady. That's the idea. It's really relaxing to me, and it's satisfying because it almost gives you an instant sense of satisfaction doing something like this. And it's just gorgeous, as you can see. It's just beautiful. Can you tell the difference between this and this that hasn't been done?
It reminds me of me going back into basic training and spit shot in my boots.
It looks beautiful though, doesn't it?
It does. It makes a difference.
It does. Like, you see the difference between this though? Can you tell a contrast?
Yep.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's just slow and steady, and like I'm instructing people for YouTube, it's like,
and the sun's not shining on it. That's what I think you can really tell the difference is when the sun.
because the sun washes it out and it kind of hides stuff. But when this is a good point. But if you come over here on this side, you could definitely tell a difference between this section that hasn't been done.
Right, and right there.
Yes, sir.
I can see you shine in it.
You can see it.
Put your hand right here. Just
Yeah.
I don't even see. I see a shadow over here. I actually see like an image, like a mirror.